Why does that look so wrong? Hi everybody, my name is Madeline. I'm in New York City.
Woke up earlier so I could find.
This is Bricky's first New York trip.
I know on camera in the future when I'm famous and when I'm living in New York because I'm a famous lawyer, they're gonna pull this footage up because from a young age she knew.
Oh my god, wait, we should go to Statue of Liberty.
No, girl, we don't have Upper East Side, Harlem, Manhattan.
That's true. That's all of New York.
Like that's like every single borough.
Yeah.
What is the gloss used? Is this the one you gave me yesterday?
Yes, I'm using
So glossy.
Dior. I'm using Dior,
Period.
Lip Glow, and then and then Refi.
See you in New York.
Ricky, what do you think?
It's very colorful.
Targeting the children, look.
I hate, but like, that's so scary.
They are hugging the look at the child.
What the?
$50 this fun.
Like,
Are you from New York? Even?
From New York, even.
I'm not just from New York. I'm from Brooklyn. My goofy comes to me with respect.
Goofy? Bozo?
From New York.
Are you from New York? Bozo?
Bozo.
Are you from New York? Even?
That offensive.
We're currently getting on the subway. This is my third time riding the subway ever. So this is exciting, but I'm a little like nervous. But it's fun. Like I'm excited. And I love New York.
Yeah, actually, are you recording right now?
Yes, I am.
Christian is a fake.
I think she meant to say the coolest person ever.
No. Right now, we're going to the vintage store, buy a pound with a bunch of cool stuff.
Too excited.
I'm so dead. What are you doing? Are you recording cornbread? The broken up cornbread. Big New York, big Bronx, big Harlem, very much so.